Hi, this is Dr. K. Sarkar, PhD, MPT Orthopedics and Neurology, DPT, CIO, SMC course on obesity and weight loss management. I am a certified dry needling practitioner, certified manual therapy practitioner, certified obesity and weight loss management practitioner. Today I'll discuss about the obesity or overweight. Your obesity is a serious and rising health epidemic in our country. You are not alone in this fight. This section will help you gain a better understanding of obesity, severe obesity, how to measure your weight and much more. First of all, I'll discuss about what is obesity, the causes of obesity, and that is classification of obesity. So first of all, obesity or overweight are defined as a normal or excessive fat accumulation that present a risk to health. A body mass index over 25 is considered overweight and over 30 is obese. This issue has grown to epidemic proportions with over 4 million people dying each year as a result of being overweight or obese in 2017 according to the global burden of disease. This information is collected from the WHO, World Health Organizations. And rate of overweight and obesity continue to grow in adult and children. From 1975 to 2016, the prevalence of overweight or obese children and adolescents is 5 to 19 years increased more than fourfold from 4 to 18% globally. The obesity is on side of double burden of malnutrition, and today more people are absent than overweight in every region except sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. One considered a problem only in high-income countries. Overweight and obesity are now dramatically on the rise in the low and middle income countries, particularly in urban setting. The vast majority of overweight or obesity children live in developing countries where the rate of increases has been more than 30% higher than that of developed countries. So, how weight is categorized? So how weight is categorized based on BMI. So underweight BMI is less than 18.5. Healthy weight BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. Overweight BMI between 25.0 to 29.9, and obesity in between 30.0 to 39.9, and severe obesity BMI is more than 40. BMI greater than 40. BMI greater than 40 has severe obesity. The severe obesity has the greatest risk of other health problems. The people with severe obesity need to see their healthcare provider for treatment options. Some studies shows a link between the how much people sleep and how much people weigh. In general, people who do not get enough sleep may weigh more than people who do. Appetite signal